Yeah.
Dun sa dactyloscopy. Pero okay lang, sir, gusto namin na rin marinig ng confirmation galing din po sa inyo. Ano po ba naging resulta ng dactyloscopy division?
All right. Upon the request of Senate, particularly Senator Risa Hontiveros, nakonda kami ng examination on the fingerprint card on file with us of one Guo Wa Ping E Lin, no? And it appears that on March 28, 2006, she applied for clearance. So, na fingerprint siya. Yun nga, ang name ay Guo Wa Ping E Lin. Now, in 2021, nag-apply naman ng clearance again, one Alice Guo E Leal. Okay? Dated 03/10/2021, March 10, 2021. When we match the two fingerprints impression of these people, no, two persons, we found out that the impression were affixed by one and the same person.
Gaano po ka-accurate itong analysis na ito, sir?
Well, you know, dactyloscopy is an infallible science of identification. Hindi nagkakamali. No? At conclusive ito sa court, sa lahat. Basta't fingerprint ang pinag-usapan, kung ano man ang findings ng aming dactyloscopy expert ay conclusive. Kasi no two person have the same fingerprints, even twins. No? Even twins. Hindi pwedeng magkapareho ang kanilang fingerprints.
Clarify ko lang, sir, yung first na fingerprint. Tama, no? Requirement ito ng Bureau of Immigration, yung kaya siya kinunan ng fingerprint noong 2006?
No. She applied for clearance.
NBI clearance.
Yes, she applied for clearance in 2006, March 28, 2006. Under the given name was Guo Wa Ping E Lin. Okay.
Bukod dito, sir, ano po pa po ang ginagawa ng NBI para ma-establish yung identity ni Mayora?
Well, sa amin, ang identification namin is through name check, record check, no? Tapos, fingerprint, dactyloscopy. Yan ang mga identifying ano namin. Of course, we now have DNA, di ba? Yan, para ma-identify ang tao. Pagka yung mga missing, nawawala, victim, yung record niya ng dental record. Ayan.
Pero yung napag-usapan nung kahapon, yung merong isa pang identity na Pilipino na allegedly na kapag na ginamit daw ni Mayora, inimbestigahan din tayo ng Bureau?
Parang sa lumalabas sa aming examination, no? Walang third person. No? Ang pinag-uusapan lang ay yung Guo Wa Ping Lin at saka yung Alice Guo E Leal are one and the same person. Based on the fingerprint impression.